We already know that the goal of writing a numerical expression is not always to compute an answer. Let's practice interpreting expressions without evaluating them. What is the relationship between 16 minus 4 and 16 minus 4 minus 7? First, we will start off modeling our 16 ones. Then we will subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 of them for the first expression. In our second expression, we also start off with 16 ones and subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we need to subtract 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more, which means that this expression has 7 fewer than our first expression of 16 minus 4. One way to interpret this expression is to say that 16 minus 4 is 7 more than 16 minus 4 minus 7. Another way to say this is 16 minus 4 minus 7 is 7 less than 16 minus 4. What is the relationship between 20 divided by 4 and 20 divided by 4 plus 8? For our expression 20 divided by 4, the division symbol means we are splitting up our 21s into 4 equal groups. For 20 divided by 4 plus 8, we first split up our 21s into 4 equal groups, but then we also have another group of 8. This means that 20 divided by 4 plus 8 is 8 more than 20 divided by 4. Another way to say it is 20 divided by 4 is 8 less than 20 divided by 4 plus 8. What is the relationship between 11 plus 4 and 11 plus 4 divided by 3? In both expressions, we first begin with 11 plus 4 ones. However, in the second expression, after adding 11 plus 4, we need to divide the sum into 3 equal groups. That means it takes 3 of the groups of 5 to make the sum of 11 plus 4. One way to write this is 11 plus 4 is 3 times the value, or 3 times greater, than 11 plus 4 divided by 3. What is the relationship between 1/3 times 109 plus 23 and 109 plus 23? For these expressions, we will use tape diagrams to help us model our thinking. Our first expression, 109 plus 23, is the same as saying we have 109 plus 23 one time, which is represented in the tape diagram as one bar of 109 plus 23. For our second tape diagram, it is the same size to represent 109 plus 23, but it is broken up into 3 sections, with each section representing 1/3 of the sum. Since one section is only 1/3 of the total bar, that means it would take 3 1/3 sections to equal 109 plus 23. Another way to say this is that 109 plus 23 is 3 times greater than 1/3 times 109 plus 23. Notice that in this example, we had an expression where we multiplied by 1/3, and in the previous example, we had an expression where we divided by 3. In both examples, though, the result is that one expression was 3 times the value of the other. Dividing by 3 is the same as multiplying by 1/3. We can figure out the meaning of a numerical expression without finding its value. The goal of writing a numerical expression is not always to compute an answer.